Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Grandma's chocolate candy. So delicious and so easy. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's go over some of the things we're going to need to make our chocolate candy today. We're going to need a pan to heat it in on the stove. We're going to need measuring cup, measuring spoons, some silicone molds. You can get these. I got my silicone molds at Walmart for $4.99 each, but you can get them also on Amazon like 3 for $7, all different designs, really cool. It's under candy molds. We're going to need some coconut oil. We're going to need some Swerve or whatever sweetener you choose to use. This is what I like. We're going to need vanilla, and we're going to need baking cocoa. All right? All right, guys, so we are going to start mixing all of our ingredients together to make our chocolate that we're going to put inside of our silicone molds. So let's start mixing our ingredients. We need 8 tablespoons of Swerve. Okay. I'm gonna need a cup of cocoa powder. So I have this. Need 1 cup of cocoa powder. Okay. I'm gonna add 1 cup of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to need 1 cup of coconut oil. Okay, it's 1 cup of coconut oil. We'll need some vanilla. Using vanilla. It's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we need a pinch of salt. Okay, so we have everything in here that we need. We're going to take it to the stove and heat it up. So let me go to the stove top. Okay, so I have my pot on my stove. Just going to heat this. I crushed some peanuts. So, as you can see, we're going to put our peanuts on top of our chocolate here. Like that. You can do whatever topping you like, but peanuts is just something everybody loves with chocolate, and it's easy to crush and it doesn't cost very much. Make sure you buy the unsalted peanuts, okay? It's like $2 for a jar of it at Walmart. Okay. These are going to be some delicious candy. Yes. So we have nuts on one side, and then when we pop these out, you'll see the cute heart on the other side. Okay. So we'll put this in the refrigerator and let it cool. All right, so I let our candy sit in our molds overnight. So now all I'm going to do is push through the bottom and pop them out. So there we go. So there's our little heart and nuts on the back. All right, so I put all of my chocolates in these mini cupcakes papers that I got at Walmart. You can get 100 of these for $1. So what I'm going to do is I have these Christmas containers that I got at the home goods store. And we are just going to put our chocolates in here, an assortment. All right, everyone. So as you can see, it's not hard to make your own chocolate candy at home. So let's recap our recipe. This is what I used. I used 1 cup of baking cocoa powder, 1 cup of coconut oil, 8 tablespoons of Swerve sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's it. Mix those ingredients together. I put them on my stove over low heat until everything is melted together smoothly. Then we're going to pour our chocolate mixture into our molds, okay? And then we're just putting them in the refrigerator until they get hard, and voila, you're ready to give them as gifts. Enjoy them for the holidays. Well, guys, I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe.